Hello there, Taylor with the Armageddon Report. Real quickly, I'll just point out, this is new, hey! You think it's going to be a 5-minute thing to implement counting storm numbers. But anyway, that's a quick thing for you to see when you hit this site or something. It'll tell you how many, storms there are. Anyway, yes, aside from that, there are 5 storms indeed. Cinco. Count them for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, yes, 5. So, here's the Northwest Pacific, where we are down from previously having typhoon warnings in the marine. This is per the JMA, to now just storm warnings, and then storm warnings up there, but no typhoon marine warnings in effect at the moment. Both of these are now tropical storm status. So, both Prapiroon and Maria. Right, and then Anais, and I never have learned how to pronounce that. This is the latest satellite, so that compared to, I forget how many days ago I looked at that, where she had the really well-defined eye, she looked like a classical typhoon, or tropical cyclone in this case. Right, now has, degraded? I don't know. She has, weakened enough. She's now tropical storm status. In fact, I forget what it is specifically, but she's predicted to dissipate in this area. So apparently not going to be a whole big, threat to Madagascar, other than obviously dropping rain, and I still don't have any sort of land hazard data for that. But speaking of land hazards data, let's look at Hurricane Rafael. So rains from Rafael have begun in Bermuda. Right, so rainfall, wind, and surf are the land hazards with this one. And then there's Hurricane Paul. Right, well, weakening Hurricane Paul. Right, so, in fact, there's, let's see the watches. The warnings and watches. So, hurricane warnings still in effect for these areas. Tropical storm warnings are what the blue is. And then it looks like tropical storm watch for that area. So, and the land hazards with that one. Wind, rainfall, storm surge, surf. Oh, here's another new feature. The NHC does not put out Spanish forecast, public advisory, whatever they call it. They don't issue that in Espanol. So now it actually tries to translate it when there is something in the English. So then you can see viento, lluvia, marejada, ciclónica, resaca, but then you still have to visit la página inglés para más información. Or información. That is how you'd say it in Espanol, right? Or in Spain, I don't know. There are no C's as the... Right, anyway, away from that tangent we go. So those are the 5 storms that in effect... So all of these basins, there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 different basins have storms in effect right now. I'm assuming that, if something shows up over here or up there, it will automatically get added to the site. I say assuming this is the way. It's magic. Yeah, if the JTWC covers it, it will show up on the site, theoretically. Severe thunderstorm-wise, here's what's going on today. Absolutely nothing. And then day 3, absolutely nothing. Days 4 through 8, but then boom, tomorrow, for some reason, has a 30% chance of severe weather. So, and it's actually, the hot zone is in Arkansas. So there's your 30% chance. So what would that mean? That would mean, number-wise, you could pick a random point in this red area and draw a 25-mile radius circle around it, and that means that there's nearly a 1 in 3 chance that there will be some sort of severe weather event happening, whatever, inside of that, the 25-mile radius circle. And I shouldn't say event, because event kind of implies that there's, going to be an outbreak. It's not just that, a tornado touched down briefly, it was a tornado event. See, that makes it sound like a tornado outbreak. But I mean, some sort of severe weather, so there might be severe hail, severe wind, a tornado. So yeah, so tomorrow, when tomorrow rolls around, that's when the Storm Prediction Center breaks it out into wind, hail, and tornado probabilities. So yeah, something to keep an eye on, and if you actually understand meteorological things, yes, you could go down there and read the whole thing, it's all in caps lock. Yeah, so that's tomorrow, but as I've said previously, nothing really today and after that, or at least as of now, because things can always change. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. Enjoy your day.